You wanna go?
Wrong button.
Hello everybody, I'm Scott.
I'm Eddie.
And today, after a whole lot of bloopers and some stuff that I might put in a separate video.
So what is the series going to be called?
This is going to be If Then, a illogical commentary on logical things. Okay, so today...
Back to computers.
Now, I don't think this is really... We need to do more planning on this. So today's episode is going to be a blooper reel of trying to record this.
Oh, and our last clips. So this is the introduction, and then this is what we ended with: Eddie bouncing his hand on a exercise.
Yep.
So
hope you
enjoy these bloopers from the making of, making of this hopeful show, which
looks like it's going to be going down the drain before it started.
But still a funny part of Scott's mad science and more.
Yep. Roll the tape.
Off topic. Jesus Christ, scientist.
And if he does something stupid, I get to zip tie him into the bathroom.
Not if I zip tie his Mac first.
Here, and this is Nate.
That's debatable.
Okay, so show some enthusiasm about this. And this is the first episode.
I don't get enthusiastic easily.
Hello! I am Gladstone.
Okay, so I take
the second
of England.
Of England.
In fact, I'm a student pilot.
Not really. I retract my previous statement. What are you doing? Not hit me in the head. Not hit me in the head. Not hit me in the head. And it almost knocked out my fluorescent light down there. Anyway.
You know, it's been stopped for the past 20 minutes.
It has? No, wait, no, Eddie.
Wow, it looks like a firework.
Okay, so it appears that you're at 100,000,017 on this idiot moment. And that is our producer idiocy counter. And now he's flipping us off. That's the smartest thing you've said all day. Do you care about your continuing existence?
Not really.
Put down your phone! He's just a moody teen. Here you are. As I said.
You made my watch come loose, guys. Real news. Real news.
Are you pulling up?
I don't even know yet. It's just some...
I'll just start. Don't say that.
Oh,
Cut. Alright, now that was so memorable. And laugh-worthy. And cringe-worthy. And... worthy.
Now,
So, yeah, we hope you
have
enjoy.
a good night, morning, day.
Whenever you're watching this. And hopefully next
brunch,
week...
breakfast.
Brunch.
Something.
Yeah. Hopefully next week when we go back to this again...
We will do better.
And make it an intelligent program, as we seem to lack currently.
We're sorry. Well, I couldn't say that, but please, we hope that you like this clip.
We're actually smart people.
And farewell.